Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support you guys been showing me over the past few months. I really appreciate this. Is mainly for Veracity holders. I appreciate everyone that follows me on my channel, but the reason as to why it's specifically for Veracity followers is because we're going to be talking about Veracity. The amount of support I've been getting from you guys is insane. Thank you so much. Continue supporting me and I'll continue pumping out these videos for you guys. Remember, when there's not much hype, there was one cryptocurrency channel that was covering Veracity, and that is your boy Crypto ZX. So let's get right in today's topic. Looking at the price of Veracity, it is currently trading at 0.0099 cents, down 4.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 4.8% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. We're finding ourselves massive support at the $101 million market valuation, because over the past week, 2 weeks, we have seen the market cap stay very, very stagnant around here, and that goes to show the strength that the holders have, guys. Yes, I'm going to share some very interesting things as well with you guys in this video, and also the 24-hour trading volume has decreased. So that's one thing that we can point out right off the bat, is that the overall buying pressure is just not there. But even though that's the case, we have not seen too much of volatility in its price, so that shows not many people are selling, which is definitely a positive thing to take away. But look what Veracity just posted 39 minutes ago. They just say, great to see Veracity as one of the most searched for cryptos on coin market cap. Veracity is hot. Follow us on CMC community here and help us gain 150,000 community members. So if you are a follower on my channel and you do not follow Veracity, what are you waiting for? Go follow them on Twitter. And you guys can see it is one of the top searched cryptocurrencies on coin market cap, and that should not be a surprise to any one of us at this point. And look at the overall analytics for Veracity in terms of accumulation. You guys can see the holders are growing as we speak. 81,063 holders, so wallets that are holding Veracity right now, and this number has been increasing at a massive trajectory since the year of 2023 has started. But now let's get right into the price and see what's happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, you guys already know the drill. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, if we're looking at the price of Veracity right now, you guys can see once again we are trading around this range, still finding ourselves at this level of resistance, which we have not been able to clear right now. The buying pressure has decreased, but even though that's the case, we have seen a very healthy accumulation pattern forming around this range, which is very, very bullish. I've said this and I'll say this again, might sound like a broken record at this point, but Veracity is not going to all-time highs overnight. It's going to be a slow start, but remember, going back to what I just said, slow start, since the beginning of the year, it's up 330%. So what are people talking about? Because that is the scary part. Yes, we have seen, obviously this is not going to the Veracity community. This is for the trolls that want the price to be at $1 overnight. That's not going to happen. And it has seen a 329% increase in just a matter of a month and a half. That is really impressive. And the next crazy price movement is going to shock a lot of people, and I will share exactly what that is. But before we do that, if we are looking at the bigger picture and we bring it from the all-time high, you guys can see it is still down 90% from there. And that is still a 9x, 8.5 to 9x away from the all-time highs. And I do believe Veracity is going to hit that really, really fast once it starts moving. Because, guys, once it clears this level, it's not going to have a lot of resistance coming in for itself unless it's around this 1.2 cents mark. But I wouldn't really be worried about that until we actually get to this level of resistance, which is at that 1.8 cents mark, which is almost a double from where it's currently sitting at. You've heard that right. It's almost a double. And when this thing really starts moving, I really do believe it's going to pop out of this level of resistance very fast and enter the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And that's where the fun will begin. And the craziest part out of all is, look at this. The market cap is only $100 million. Now you may be saying, why? That's a lot of money. That's still a lot of millions of dollars. Yes, but this is considered not a big market cap coin. And these type of cap coins can move very fast if the volume is on our end. And as you guys know, Bybit was doing where you could vote for Veracity to be listed. I hope you guys voted. If that listing were to come true, I think that Veracity is going to be affected by that itself as well. So a lot of exciting things coming on for Veracity right now, and it is holding really, really strongly. And this month has been insanely bullish. Looking at the price of Bitcoin is doing insanely amazing. Once again, another yearly high just on February 16th. And right now we're finding ourselves at this level of resistance. And if we clear out this $25,000 level of resistance, we are about to see Bitcoin hit $30,000. Once again, I'm very, very convinced about that. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is increasing, as I've mentioned on my VeChains video as well, if you guys watched that already. So meaning that altcoins are going to lag behind. But that does not mean they're not going to follow the overall momentum for Veracity. But everything is looking really, really well. And this is the Binance wallet that everyone's talking about. You guys can see it says Binance 40. They're holding about 1.81% of the value for Veracity. Also, we are obviously seeing quite a bit of these wallets, but I don't understand. I do not understand if Bybit is seeing the potential of Veracity. Why is Binance not seeing? Don't let that underestimate you. Binance has been noticing Binance has been noticing Veracity since the beginning, and now if one of their biggest competitors, Bybit, were to list it, why wouldn't they want to take a pie of this share? I think there's some sort of deal that is going behind the scenes that we don't know about. We're just holders and we just like the project. But we don't know what's going on behind the scenes. CZ at the beginning of Veracity's launch was following Veracity. You've heard that correct. He was following the page. He is aware of what it is. But it's not as simple as just getting it listed right like that, because there's a lot of regulations that go into play. They need to make sure regulations don't get affected by this. They're not doing anything that goes against the regulations, because at the end of the day, you can get in serious trouble when it comes to that if you're not listing the right jurisdictions coins that are in your jurisdictions. But that's the current state on Veracity. I do believe the fireworks are happening. Look at what's happening with the entire market. We're extremely bullish on the markets. But as I say that, remember what I always said when we were on the bearish end of the spectrum. When there's a lot of greed, you should be fearful. So if you want to be fearful, lock in some profits or have stop losses in place. That's your best friend, in my personal opinion. Have a stop loss in place in case the market were to turn around, Bitcoin takes a flash crash. Guess what's going to happen? Your profits will be locked and you're going to be holding those profits that you deserve to have earned, especially when you were accumulating during the bloodbath. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know down below what you guys think. Smash this like button. Let's hit 100 likes on this video, guys. Thank you so much for all the support you guys show me. Love you all. See you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.